Hi, welcome my dear students of class 9th. Dear students, I am Rajendra from LPM Public School, Golabazar, Gorakhpur. That is a CBSE renowned school in the Gorakhpur. And dear student, this video will be able to teach you about the different aspect of the cell. And in this series of the video, you are looking over here about the structure and function of the cell, and I am starting the topic about the types of the cell. So the different types of the cells are there, and you will be able to learn the structural diagram in this video. So my dear student, let us see different aspect, different structures of the different types of the cells in this video. So now let us start. Cell, that is the fundamental unit of life. Unit of life. Okay, let me explain first of all why it is called unit of life. It is called as the structural and functional unit of life because all the living functions that perform in this single cell, whether the organism is multicellular organism or unicellular organism. So each and every cell is responsible for the different vital functions of a living organism. Dear student, the cell is of different types, as I have already stated you. Prokaryotic cells. Now let us see what is prokaryotic cells. My dear student, in the beginning, during the origin of life, these cells get produced, these cells get evolved as a result of the chemical evolution, as I have told you, and you will see the structure of these cells that there is a capsule, and this capsule, inside this capsule, the complete cell content get closed. So if you draw the diagram of this capsule, then you will find that this is the capsule, and if you cut this capsule from this place, suppose this is a capsule, then you are looking over here, and this is the remaining part of the cell having the double membrane. This is the membranous structure, and you will find the structure like this: RNA, DNA, and this cytoplasm, also ribosomes, and cellular villi will be there. Cellular villi will be there like this. Cellular villi will be there like this. So this is the capsular structure. This is called cell envelope. This is nucleic acid means DNA plus RNA. These are the ribosomes, and this is the plasma or cytoplasm. You can say this is the cell membrane or cell membrane. There is a membranous structure that is called cell membrane. So this is the prokaryotic cell, and mainly this is bacteria. The bacterial cell, you will look the bacterial cell like this. So this is a kind of the cell that is called prokaryotic cell, and the life is inside this prokaryotic cell. That is why this is called the unit of life. Life is in this. Life is in this. Life is in this cytoplasm, and life when get accumulated from all these cell parts, then that this bacteria will be active. It multiplies. My dear student, come to the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells. I will be able to explain you the different structure of the eukaryotic cells, eukaryotes, along with this diagram. तो सबसे पहले आप देखेंगे, you will see the eukaryotes. And how you will see the eukaryotes? The eukaryotes will look something like this. Suppose this is a cell. Whether that is the plant cell, maybe the animal cell, or whatever it is. Okay? So this cell will have the perforations. This cell will have the perforations like this, and this perforation exists. This perforation exists at several places, and this perforation will be called you can say this is the eukaryotic cell. This is the plant cell, and another eukaryotic cells, that is the animal cell, that may be oval or something else. Animal cell. This is the animal, and this is the plant cell. So the eukaryotes are the cells which will have the different types of the cells organelle inside it, and they will be able to perform the complete functions of the cell. Complete functions like respiration, reproduction, excretion, digestion, assimilation, respiration. All these functions are carried out by this one. But here in the prokaryotic cell, there is no nucleus. There is no nuclear membrane. And in eukaryotic cell, complete cell is present, nucleus is present, other cell organelle is present. So you can differentiate in between the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells like that. In prokaryotic there is no nucleus, there is no cells organelle except ribosomes. In prokaryotic cells there are cell envelope is found in just to cover the prokaryotic cells. Examples are bacteria. And in the eukaryotic cell the complete cell is present, nucleus present, other cells organelles are present inside it, which we will discuss later on in the next videos, and cell membrane is present and cell wall is present. No any cell envelope is required over here, and there are ribosomes are also present, and all the functions that is carried out by different types of the cell organelles that is present in the eukaryotic cells. So my dear student, now further in the next step you will be able to learn that how you will draw the diagram of the prokaryotic cell. So my dear student, let us see in this video. Please learn the diagrammatic representation of a cell, how you draw the cell diagram. That is very important, and after that you will be able to learn the function, structure and function of the different cells, different types of the cells and cell arrays. So now let us start the learning of the diagrammatic representation. Diagram representation. My dear student, let us start the diagram. So first of all, make the cell wall. Cell wall. Cell wall that is found in the plant cell. And after this cell wall, you have to draw a cell membrane. That is the outer boundary. That is the outer boundary of the cell. That is the inner, not outer boundary. That is the inner boundary of the cell. And in between them, there is a middle lamella. This is middle lamella. So the boundary that you have already seen over here in the plant cell. This is the plant cell. This is the boundary. This is called cell wall. Cell wall, middle lamella, and cell membrane. Cell membrane. My dear student, this middle lamella and cell wall is not found in the animal cell. तो अगर इनको आप हटा देंगे दोनों बाहरी खोल को, तो ये जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन है that is found in the animal cell and plant cell. But middle lamella and cell wall is not found in the animal cell. Dear student, अब इसके अंदर जो है, आप सबसे पहले तो आप कंटेंट भरेंगे and that content is called plasma. That content is called plasma. How many states of the plasma? How many states of the materials are there? The materials are of 5 types, and the name of that types are solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and solid, liquid, gas, plasma and BEC. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया cytoplasm. Cytoplasm means plasma inside the cell. Cytoplasm. Okay. Dear student, we will discuss about the cytoplasm in detail when you study the protoplasm and cytoplasm. And inside it, you have to draw a nucleus. This is the nucleus, nuclear membrane. You can see this is the double membranous structure. तो सबसे पहले ये बॉडी बना लिया. बॉडी बनाने के बाद आपने सेंटर पार्ट जो कि ब्रेन कहते हैं, जिसको सेल का ब्रेन कहते हैं, वो आपने ड्रा किया, न्यूक्लियस. ठीक है, न्यूक्लियस आपने ड्रा किया, तो इसमें न्यूक्लियर कोर आप छोड़ देंगे. दिस इज द न्यूक्लियर कोर. न्यूक्लियर कोर, और इसके अंदर के मटेरियल को बोलते हैं न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. And this is the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane. This is the nuclear membrane. And inside this nucleus there are chromosomes and nucleolus. These are the chromosomes and this is the nucleolus. Apart from this, dear student, you will find that there are, this one is endoplasmic reticulum. That is RER plus BSC. smooth endoplasmic reticle. After that, this is plastic. This is mitochondria. Mitochondria. Plastic. These are the nucleosomes. Dictyosomes. It is also called Golgi body. And centriole, centrosome, ribosomes, and so on. So my dear student, by the trying this kind of the diagram, I hope that you are able to learn the diagram of the cell in your copy. So practice it at your home. And my dear student, if you see the diagram of the animal cell, then what you will found in animal cell? No animal. Not in animal cell. Not in animal cell. Not in animal cell. Not okay. This is your all. And remaining rest the parts of the cells. Yes, there is lysosome. Lysosome. That is found only in the animal cell. Only in the animal cell. So you can differentiate the plant cell and animal cell likewise, my dear student. And dear student, in this video, I hope that you are able to learn the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, as well as the structure of the cells, as well as the different types of the different differences in between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell and plant cell and animal cell. So notes will be provided to you, dear student. So please learn it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.